Welcome to Newsmark Media. If you're here for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like the video if you love it. Popular Nollywood actress Regina Daniels, he has this dispute with her ex-husband, or will I say her estranged husband, and so she was spotted, celebrating her son's birthday with other kids. Now, based on speculations, the actress couldn't get access to her sons, and because of this, she just had to celebrate the birthdays of her kids with other children. And she was also spotted crying, and the mom was consoling her. So wishing her sons a happy birthday.